Campus Success Center at Silver Oak University in Silver Oak, Pennsylvania. I don't know what this was, but Seller just modernized my industrial commercial with Innovation Bruiser. This building was just renovated and the elevator was just modded. Probably had like a third party, like a little GAL or something. Black interior one.
First floor.
This was originally the old student union. Go to 3. Oh, that's locked. Flash. That's a weird flash. Alright, I'll just go to 2.
Going up.
Sunrise. It's like a center opening with a hospital size cab. That's interesting. The basic cab though with the padding. That's what it looks like underneath. There's the laminate cab. There's Big Brother right there. I think it's the only elevator I found here with a camera in it. Go back at 2.
Second floor.
Go back at 2.